Hello everyone and welcome to this week's immigration update from Raju Law. Every week we bring you the most important immigration news, USCIS announcements and policy shifts that may impact you and your loved ones. Here are this week's top stories. USCIS tightens CSPA rules. New September Visa Bulletin shows limited changes. Trump alters human rights report. USCIS blocks trans women in sports visas. Now the details. This week, one of the biggest updates concerns the Child Status Protection Act or CSPA. From August 15, 2025, USCIS will use only the stricter final action dates chart to decide a child's age under the Child Status Protection Act. This change replaces the dates for filing chart and will cause more young immigrants to lose child status after turning 21. Applications filed earlier remain under old rules. Turning to visa wait times, the September 2025 Visa Bulletin keeps most green card wait times unchanged. F2A moved forward 2 months for all countries and the Philippines F3 advanced 5 months. All employment-based categories remain the same, with EB4 still closed until the new fiscal year begins. Other categories showed no movement this month. In another update, the Trump administration has revised the human rights report. The Trump administration has changed the latest US human rights report to downplay problems in allied countries like Israel and El Salvador, while focusing criticism on the UK, Brazil, and South Africa. Mentions of LGBTQ+ rights and Gaza's crisis were mostly removed. Critics say the edits make the report political. Finally, USCIS has changed rules for sports visa eligibility. USCIS has issued a new rule stopping transgender women from applying for visas to compete in women's sports. The policy affects O1A, EB1, EB2, and national interest waiver cases. Only athletes assigned female at birth qualify. Past competition in women's events by male-born athletes will also count against eligibility. That wraps up this week's immigration news. Stay connected with Raju Law for more updates, insights, and guidance. We will see you next week with the latest developments in US immigration.